So I plan to glue the whole thing up, a little non-traditional for me. In fact, this is my first time doing any large glue up with a two-part epoxy. I'm actually using a product from System 3 called T88. It's supposed to be great stuff for wood and wood glue ups and that kind of thing. And I did a little practice run yesterday with a sample piece that just has a tongue and a groove only, and glued these two pieces up and let it sit overnight, and it's rock solid. I was a little concerned. I had some spill out on the outside here, and the directions mentioned that you can clean up with paint thinner if it before it dries, and I tried to do that, but it actually just kind of spreads it out, and I was concerned. I sanded some of it off over here, and I wanted to compare it here, and I'm going to see how it takes a finish. So I think what I'm going to do is, rather than worry about cleaning up from the glue spill, I'll actually just let it dry and then sand it off, so it'll be very concentrated then. So normally, actually, what I did on the regular part of this door, I should say the center portion of this door, I just use regular construction adhesive, or I should say regular carpenter's glue, Type Bond 3, which is a exterior, interior waterproof glue. This stuff's great. This is what I'm mostly used to and what I use on a daily basis, but I'm a little concerned because it does make it grabby as soon as you put the glue on, and it starts to dry right away, even though it's only got about a 15-minute open time. Whereas the System 3 epoxy actually has a working time of like 60 minutes. And I noticed yesterday, as I put it on this little tenon right here, just to practice on I made a little practice mortise and tenon here. And what it does is it actually acts as a lubricant, so it kind of slides together very easily. So it's going to allow me to square up the door, I'm hoping, and make it a little easier to get it all where I want it to be. Whereas this stuff, once it starts drying, it sticks, and it creates a tacky. As soon as the pieces come together, they're tacky and they want to stay wherever they've been touched. So it's a little harder to square things up. And with this complicated of glue up, I think I'm going to need all the help I can get.